our Sindhi brothers who have contributed in a great and an open-hearted, large-hearted manner for the development of this city and for the development of the country. I take this opportunity to declare my great appreciation for this organization and for whatever they are doing. All Sindhis, there are lots of them who are my very good friends, and they are all, I say without exception, very large-hearted people. There are people who have got a good cheer on their faces. They know how to laugh, and that, I think, is the secret of good living. There is nothing such as the poor and the rich. There is nothing such as the old, the ancient, or the modern. I think the fun and the secret of it all is spelt out in qualitative living. Sindhis have a qualitative life. वैसा होना, लाइफ हो, लाइफ को एंजॉय भी किया जाए.